All right, I'm back.
I gotta watch this.
I know you do that.
I'm just gonna change my other two charts then.
I'll just say you have some stuff on ESYM. 1 minute to showtime. All right, let's see what happens with the ESYM. Looks like the ISYM wants to go down, doesn't it?
Get my chart to load here.
Well, actually, more than looks like it.
1 minute till they pulled it back again.
There's some kind of fireworks show that's going on this morning.
Yeah,
9:30.
nothing going on this morning.
They got
Whole
again.
lot of nothing till 2 today.
You had
Get you some fireworks at 2.
you had a couple chances this morning since 8, just a couple.
Oh.
Good morning, everybody. What's up, Mo Money, Paul Money? Let's have a great day.
There we go.
See what we got on the kickoff here. Bye this morning.
Showtime.
Sir Diamond Apollo. I'm assuming that we've already done kind of
Once
an introduction
again.
to the trial for the trials, right, guys?
We sure have.
Yes, we just went through the whole. Scott just went through it. Yeah.
Great. Enjoy your time with us. Prepare to be amazed, trials. And don't forget today's Fed Day. So we're going to come back at 150. And then pushing it down.
Yep.
Tight in iron range overnight on the ES. I'm going to get down to where they've been ranging it in the past 2 days. Let's make sure I'm all set up here.
NQ's gonna bust
Up or down?
down. Looks like it's gonna go down. ES is. I don't know about right here. This is. Yeah, she's gonna go.
Looks like
it's trying.
should be hitting a little bit of support. Now, again, keep in mind, guys, those of you that are newer to us, we do not try to trade the open. Those that are more experienced, you can trade through the open. You can take a position, take the risk on it. Those that are newer, you're going to wait 6 minutes, or at least till price action gives you a very clear direction on where the market wants to go. Don't forget today, while we're waiting on that clear direction, don't forget today that we're going to be doing a mandatory training.
Yes, that's right. I actually forgot about that.
On the Auto Trader at noon, because too many people are having success and few people are not having success, and we've got to figure out why that discrepancy has occurred. So we'll continue to do said trainings until.
I think it has a lot to do with perspective, like what your perspective is when you decide that you want to get in and turn it on, and like when you make that decision. If I was to take a guess.
If you had to take a guess.
If I had to take a guess.
You have to?
No, not really.
All right, what we got here? YM. Boy, these things are. YM's at the low today.
Push it down to get everybody. Try to get everybody short. Looks like what got me in long on the YM. Got my target off. Got a long signal will be forming on the ES there, guys.
Oh, got me in long on the ES.
Long on both YM and ES. Ride it up, people. Decent little long signal. Both YMES. They're going to push it down. Bring her back up to the top of the range, it looks like, guys. All right, so now you're playing. Now you know you're playing range-bound ball with the ES. Looks like that's what's going to be the name of the game with the YM as well. And those two trades on the YM and ES here are going to be plenty enough for me to be happy for the morning. Oh man, it's all right on my money. We're gonna be doing it once a week, my money. It's no big deal. Once a week
Yeah,
we'll be
we'll
doing
get
it.
you.
You get one. You'll get there 1 week. I guess we could record it. It's a lot easier just for us to do it live once a week because the questions may be different than the questions that you're going to have.
Probably wouldn't be a bad idea to record it, I guess.
Yeah, we recorded last. Why don't we send the?
Yeah, we have the one from
Yeah.
last one.
Yeah, let's see if we can get Hugo to send everybody that has it the recording from the last time. That should get most people in the right direction. Today's more like, hey, you're not making money with it. Tell us why. Let's figure this out. Because most people are making money with it just like that. Literally, just like that. Let's just stay long on the YM there, guys. But we'll get. Let's see if we can get those recordings. If you could put that on your list, please, Paul.
Yeah, I think Hugo has them. I think if he just asks Hugo for them, he'll send them to you. Scott, who
Me?
was it that wanted it? No, Scott, the other Scott.
Ryan. Oh,
Should be the
Scott.
two recordings from last week. Yeah. Oh no, it got me long again. Oh no. And the YM took me short. But I did not have my things on. Oh, I did have it on. There we go. Already filled. The YM is in a downtrend. ES is an uptrend. Little mixed bag right there. So you're probably a little partial to the sell signals now on the YM. ES, let's see if it wants to.
Uh-oh.
Looks like it wants to stay below this range, so they're probably going to start selling it.
Didn't shut my long off on the yes.
Yeah, I'm trying to mitigate this one right now. Put it in a win position if it will do it for me.
Ah, don't do that to me.
Or just close that book
That's
out.
kind of get me. That's what happens when you have it on full auto. Don't do that, Paul.
Full metal auto.
It's all right. I got a winner on the YM and maybe a winner on the ES. I don't know. Maybe a loser. Either way. Hey, look. Got a winner on both. Then you leave it off.
Look at that.
Trying to get out of that thing. Hey. All right. 4 for 4. There we go. And I'm done.
Nice.
Hey, Dana. That's saying hi.
Dana. If Dana's in the room, yeah. Welcome, Dana.
Welcome. Hi. If you are here, if you want to keep your animosity, tell Scott how rude he is by asking for you in public.
Scott calls her out, or him out, her out. Not sure. Dana could be male, female.
Dana was my first real girlfriend.
This is real trial, and our members know this. Those real trial, the markets are chopping around right now, so we're not going to do anything until they give us some clear direction. That's just the way we do it. If you want to take this long signal on the ES, go for it. Just make sure you get your targets off quick. If you expect it to play the range, then you'll have a target up there around 09 somewhere on the ES. Obviously, you had a little bit of a halfway buy signal that came right after the sell signal in the YM, so it was kind of a little bit harder of a play to make on the YM if you wanted to get long. Yes, should have targets off. Scott, you didn't hear what I said for real? You really didn't hear what I said, Scott?
Me?
No, Scott.
Oh.
H. Stay long on the ES now, people. Obviously, you're staying long on the YM if you got there. Oh, I said if Dana wants to keep this Dana's anonymity.
Anonymity. I can't even think of the word. Animosity. That's not it.
Keep your name private from the public. We'll just tell Scott how rude he is, and we started laughing about it. We thought it was funny.
Is Dana he
I'm
or she?
assuming you
Could
know
be
Dana,
both.
Scott. I'm assuming you know this Dana person.
Me?
No, Scott H.
Jesus. It's so confused.
Too many Scotts. You're
That's
wait
why I
for
go
it.
by. That's why I go by. Wait for it.
You're wait for it.
All right. Who got long on the ES when I called it out, guys? Did anybody get long when I called it out? Target's off. You're getting a second chance on the long side with the YM, it looks like here in a second.
Thank
Good job, Stretch. Good job, Ron John. See, guys, we can have fun and make money at the same time. Too casual there for you, Spaniard on the trade call. You get a little W to form somewhere around this area with the YM, even though you don't have a completely oversold stochastics. I'd probably look at the long signal there. If it fishes up a little W here in the next candle or two. She got that. Oh, cool. Awesome. Coolest club on the planet. We got the cool people, race car drivers, everybody alike. Unfortunately, we have some dogs. Fortunately, we have some Georgia.
Fortunately, we have some
fans.
dog fans.
Weekend off to lick the wounds from Kentucky.
Man, ugly.
I haven't talked about it, obviously.
Yeah,
All
I
right,
noticed you were
stops
being
now.
very quiet.
Stops on the ES to 0.75. Scott was there too. Ooh, I forgot about that. You were actually at the game. Ron, Stretch, you guys still in? Forgot about that. Scott's your stops. Yes, good job. Stops to 5,700, 0.75. If it takes that out, it's going to keep push back down anyway. Now you might be getting the long signal on the YM here in a second. I think I'll probably take a look at this if it puts me in long.
Cell signal.
All right. Stretch is flat. So let's run. I mean, really, I think if it can break through here, Ron, you got a shot for that 9 easy. So where'd you get in at, Ron? Are you gonna have a runner if it goes to 9?